Jen with Team Logical Llamas for our introduction engineering submission for our robots, circuit boards, and our coding. So our team put together 4 separate robots that'll help with grocery store tasks. We have a cleanliness robot, a grocer assistant, a restocking robot, and an inventory detecting robot. So my assignment was the grocer assistant. So I designed the grocer assistant to have 2 rear drive wheels, a distance sensor on the front, and it's powered by a 9-volt battery, and communication is done through this chip and through the Arduino board, and everything is made clean by the breadboard. So this robot will drive around the store, and if there's an object that is too close in front of it, it is designed to come to a stop so that way it doesn't hurt anybody. So we can go ahead and look at my code here. I have all the different codes put in for my wires, and I tried to color the wires in a way that I thought made the most sense. It's kind of easy to follow, I think. So the distance sensor is hooked in, each DC motor is hooked in, the 9-volt battery provides power down here, and it's jumped to the top so that way power can be used up top also. The chip is communicating the way that it should to relay what the motors are saying and what the distance sensor is saying. So over here I have my codes assigned for that, my pins. I was able to find a little bit of help online with getting the motor to not be so sporadic. I was having a hard time whenever I turned it on, it would, flash on and off. And from what I was seeing, it's kind of a not preventable thing. It's just kind of one of the errors that comes with it. So hopefully this reads correctly. So just some more of my coding, the setup. And the pins. So I can go ahead and run it. Oh, and I had to do this. So this was another way to try and buffer it so that way it wasn't so erratic when I would turn it on. So if I go ahead and start submission, the motors are spinning. And if we have plenty of room, so the motors are going, and they're going. And if I bring it down, the motors shut off. And I bring it back up, and the motors come on and off. And it's just it's working. So it took me quite a bit of time. It's not as complex as some, but I'm pretty proud of it. I worked really hard on the coding, and I think that it is a success. Thanks for watching.